I think I have to clear it with my boss anyway.
Okay, that's fine. But we're showing you videotape material that's confidential, so.
Not necessarily need to get out.
This is very unusual, you have to admit that much.
Perhaps there are some special circumstances this time. Like, for instance, there was first a murder, then a crash.
Then a what?
Helicopter crash. The internal affairs unit didn't call back as promised.
Okay, so we started work on a movie on the 27th of
By the
May.
way, I don't give you permission to film me. I don't like my face being anywhere.
Okay, I understand you're an investigator.
You said that you've already been in contact with the people who did the special effects on the Titanic and that they've agreed to work with you.
Bard Bail's crew has
I don't want to speak to you.
Bard Bail's crew has made several inappropriate comments about our film production company here in Norway, and they've made several comments that are, it's bad publicity for us. We want something done about it. It is your problem and you're going to be quoted, okay? Let's go.
not said anything.
Is Maxine available? Make artist? The staff on this film is plastering around crap about my movie company. I was involved with the bank robbery scene at DMV North, and the film crew.
If you want to meet me, I'm going to kill you. I am actually people who want to go to the police. So you can just fuck off.
What I find very strange is I've been talking to a lot of people this week. I've probably been in touch with 30-40 people doing different things that in some way have come in touch with your movie company.
I don't give a fuck about what I'm saying to you because you have no. I don't give a fuck. I said to you that my father is a police and he knows you, so just give a fuck about that.
Okay, great. What's his badge number? Maybe he should know his daughter's threatening to kill people. Do you know how many people are here? Do you know how many witnesses there are here in this room, listening to your murder threats?
I don't know what happened to the Angel family, but the tape is real.
The tape is real.
This tape's real. And I will testify to that.
What's up?
Good to see you again.
You too.
You played an excellent terrorist in our movie.
Thank you.
You scared the entire Bergen.
I did.
That means something, you know?
Can you talk to the police?
Can I ask your name?
Do not film me.
Okay, if you're asking for my identification, I just want to have a clip of it. Okay.
I want that. Do you have that on you?
Of course.
Yeah, can I speak?
Okay, but did I do something wrong?
Yes,
Okay.
I have to have your name because we don't. Do not film.
Okay,
Take it off.
I'll film him. Do you remember what Michael Moore did to the president with a documentary? He destroyed his entire reputation. Okay. We are shooting a scene today where you see an unidentified flying object above the boat.
But it won't go away. Sin never does. There's only one thing you can do. You know what must be done. You're going to burn.
I don't think I dare to do that.
En amerikaner ville lage actionfilm.
Dramatisk i Bergen sentrum. Politiet har fått melding om bankran.
Store politistyrker med maskinpistoler rykker ut. Et stort område rundt DNB Nord sin bankfilial på Vågsalmenningen blir sperret av. Folk blir bedne om å holde seg på avstand. Inne i banken det blitt observert personer med finlandshette og våpen. Men det var ikke et ekte bankran.
Midt under innspillingen så ser vi laserkuler inn i banken, hvor hele greiene blir avviklet på grunn av politiet. Du blir jo sjokkert når du midt under en innspilling for modeller, og så plutselig kommer politiet inn og ligger håndjern på, og det full kjør.
It's just a pretend scene. It's fiction. It's not a real bank robbery. We're making a movie. They're all fake. They're all BB guns. None of them are real.
Men for politiet var det ekte.
Store politistyrker rykket i ettermiddag ut til det de trodde var et bankran i Bergen sentrum. Med skarpladde våpen rykket de frem mot banken, der det pågikk en filminnspilling.
Stay down on the floor, face down. Do you want to die? We will kill everyone in this bank if we have to. Everyone, stay down on the floor, face down. If we filmed this in New York, this would never happen. You would never have a SWAT team swarm in. I worked with Steven Spielberg. I've been involved with Warner Brothers, Columbia Pictures. I worked on Spider-Man 3. I have a massive film background.
How are they going to possibly verify this? What he said was, you can do anything you want in terms of verified. Any type of due diligence, he will answer whatever questions put forward. We could do whatever type of checking. We could bring in experts. We could have the tape tested. We could, in fact, he encouraged all of these aspects.
Yeah,
we actually just need to speak to this person?
Yes, okay, he's the leader of the department.
Exactly.
I don't know if he's in there now.
Okay.
But who's told you that you have to speak to him? I think we should try to arrange it with somebody else. But,
that's fine.
Yeah.
Please follow me.
Okay.
Okay.
Both of you. No camera.
Your cameras, we can go wherever we want. You're a documentary film.
Det var en stille og rolig bergensk regnværsettermiddag, men så skjer alt på en gang. Ransalarmen går.
2 filmprodusenter ilagt en bot på 50 000 kroner, mens DNB Nord bøtelagt med 30 000 kroner. Flere vitner hadde sett personer med finlandshetter og våpen inne i bygningen, og politiet rykket rutinemessig ut med store styrker.